Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be telling you how to water your recently planted seed sheet. It's very critical until your seeds actually sprout to maintain soil moisture on top of the seeds. The seeds need to be in constant contact with moist soil to start the germination process and actually sprout up through. So every morning make sure that you're watering your garden, and it's going to be a very light mist just to make sure that every one of those soil pods are fully saturated and are going to bring water down to the seeds. So we're just going to take our misting nozzle, gradually spray the top of each one of these pods, and you're going to see that the soil is going to become saturated, and it's alright if a little bit spills out. It's all good. You can just spray each pod 3-4 times just to make sure that the moisture is getting carried down to the seeds. Alright, so that's all that you have to do to water your pods. It's again critical to make sure that you are watering daily, every day, in the mornings preferably, until you start to see sprouts. And it's alright until you see sprouts to keep your garden inside. Once you see sprouts starting to pop up, that's going to be the time we're going to want to move it outside, someplace that gets full direct sunlight so that those leaves can catch that sun and photosynthesize and grow bigger. Once they are outside, they're going to tend to dry out quicker because they have the heat of the sun bearing down on them. So it's very important to continue watering daily, and also come by, take a look in the afternoon. If the soil is turning light brown and it looks like it's dry, just hit it again. And it's fine to spend 30 seconds, spray each pod. You can't overwater at this stage. Just make sure that that soil is looking nice and moist. And it's again alright if you spill a little bit out. Stay tuned, you're doing great. More tutorials coming at you. Welcome to Seedsheet, where we make gardening ridiculously easy.